Optimizing your Google My Business listing. Hi everyone, this is Tabitha from the Divine Marketing Podcast, bringing you today's quick marketing tip. Google My Business, or GMB, is essential for local search engine optimization and helps your business appear in local search results. A well-optimized GMB listing can attract more local customers and improve your online presence. GMB not only improves your visibility in local search results, but also provides potential customers with important information about your business, such as your address, phone number, and hours of operation. Optimize your listing by completing a profile. So fill out all the information fields, including your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation, because a complete profile looks more professional and trustworthy. Add photos. Upload high-quality images of your business, products, or services to attract potential customers. Visual content can signify and enhance your profile's appeal. And gather reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and respond to them to show you value their feedback. Positive reviews can build trust and influence potential customers. Some advanced tips for maximizing your profile is to post regular updates. Keep your audience engaged by posting updates about your business, such as new products, special offers, or events. This can keep your profile active and relevant. Use add relevant attributes like wheelchair accessible or free Wi-Fi if these things are actually information about your business. Also leverage Q&A. So there's a Q&A feature that you can address common questions about your business, and this can help provide quick answers to potential customers to reduce the number of inquiries you receive. Optimizing your Google My Business listing can boost your local's SEO and attract more customers. So you make sure your profile is complete, engaging, and regularly updated. Thanks for tuning into this quick tip. Stay tuned for more marketing insights from Divine Marketing.